The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall.
To my community came into the store with her child in a car seat. You understand what I'm saying? You don't understand. Why nobody understands what we're saying? Find somebody that understands English so they can understand what I'm saying. Because we have an issue with this store disrespecting our women, placing their hands on our children. We have an issue, and it needs to be addressed. Who do I talk to? If I can't talk to you, I need to talk to somebody. Who do I talk to? This is a serious issue, and you're not putting us to the side about it either.
그 사람마다 그 고기 저기 차고 저쪽에 주차장에 방금 만난 것 같은데 한번 전화 한번
These motherfuckers understand that's what they're getting all our money.
All of a sudden, nobody can speak English. Nobody can speak English? Is that what it is?
They don't understand anything.
Who do I talk to? Let me handle this, y'all quiet. Who I talk to? Who? Who do I talk to? Not her. She's not the owner. I want to talk to somebody that's in charge. Yeah, okay. Here's my point. I'm going to say this. There was a young lady from my community that came in this store last week. She had her granddaughter in a car seat. You all thought she was stealing. She wasn't stealing. But the owner roughed up our young child in a car seat, digging in the car seat, thinking that this parent had stole something, and she did not. She did not. He didn't even apologize. What he did was, he said, all black bitches steal and get the fuck out of my store. We got it on video. And I'm telling you this, how dare you disrespect our community? How dare you call our women black bitches? That is intolerable, and that's not happening. We're going to shut you down. We're coming back here. We're going to be in front of this store. We're going to show you what a black bitch is. And you sitting here shaking your head, yeah. I can show you better than I can tell you. It is intolerable that you all treat our community this way when we're keeping you in business. A1 Beauty and Supply. Black people come here all the time and spend their money, yet you disrespect us. Accuse us of stealing. All black bitches steal. That's what your owner said at A1 Beauty. How dare you disrespect our black women like that? And we're coming back. You can sit there all you want to. We're coming back to this store. I'm angry. I'm upset. We make you. We spend money in your store. Put money in your pocket so you can send it back to your children. But yet you disrespect our women. Are you kidding me? No justice, no peace. No justice, no peace. No justice, no peace. No justice, no peace. Let's go.
Viewers and subscribers, I would love to see the day when this whole racism thing just stop. You know, no one try to treat anyone lesser than anyone. No one try to act as if they're better than anyone. You know, those days, you know, I would love to see the day when these things happen, where everyone treat everyone as their equal. You know what I mean? So right about now, I just presented to you a video that shows off a few men confronting the workers of a store, right, for something that, based on what has been said in the video, would seem as if it is somewhat of racism, right? Now, some things has been said in this video, viewers and subscribers. I don't feel comfortable repeating it. However, it is in the video, and you can actually listen and look for yourself what had happened. The man had confronted the man due to some things that has been said, an accusation that has been made to a female from within the community as to what he said. Plus, the female had a baby with her at the time. That has been said by one of the men out of the group of men that confronted these workers that are in the store. Now, viewers and subscribers, the question behind this is that, is it that these men that entered the store, that confronted the people that were in the store, which is the workers of the store, is it that these men were right to confront the workers of the store, or is it that they were wrong to do so? Alright, so let me know what you think, viewers and subscribers, you know what I mean, because this is out on social media and lots of speculations behind it, and you know there's going to be racism talk behind it and more things behind it as well. Alright, so you can let me know what you think about this. Alright, and you don't know, you can keep it as clean as possible. Don't be too harsh, you know, but you can let your point get across without being very disrespectful. You know the thing go already. Alright, and as always, if you're new to the channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button, leave your comments, let me know what you think. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. You see.